going on, legends? Yes, we're out again, doing another episode. This one's a fishing episode, and I just set the first shark bait out. Put a tuna on, there's a whole Mac tuna on there on a lovely, beautiful rig, and fingers crossed we get something. We got here late last night, set up a nice bit of camp, and we're gonna be here for the next, 30 odd hours. Ripper day, pearler day for it. But yeah, last week I was testing the waters. I haven't been here before, but last week I was testing the waters, and one of my friends was like, "I'll take the bait out," and yeah, I'll show you. I'll roll some clips on what happened. It was sketchy, scary, and yeah, I learned a lot. He learned a lot, but check this out. You'll be all right, I'm coming out with you. All right, there's a line there, bro. Let's go. With the oar. All right, there's a moment there. Get in the kayak now. Get in the yak, get in the yak, get in the yak. Just get in it, bros. That's it, take this. It's gonna fill up, don't worry. Don't worry, bros, don't worry. This one's gonna break on you, I'm still with you, bro. I'm still with you. I'm still with you, bro. It's gonna fill up, it's gonna empty. All right, remember? Float first. I'm still with you, bro. Still with you. All right. No, we need the sinker, bro. Can we get the sinker? Is it snapped off? Sinker's still there. Can we grab the sinker? At this stage, I should have done it myself or abandoned ship. But yeah, a few beers in, and yeah, unfortunately, Yanni did go out, and yeah, check what happens. It hasn't. Just get in. No, wait. Oh, my GoPro's gonna come off. Hold the kayak in place. These waves are coming in.
Once I get past here, we're alright.
Yeah, bro, 100%. We can start, not yet. After this one, we'll walk out with it. There's a bit of a tangle in the back there, so you have to organise it, alright, bro? You got this. There's a tangle in the back there.
No, I'm nervous.
Yeah, I know, bro, but you got this.
No.
Charlie Fat Nuts, not yet. Alright, I'll come out a bit further with you. We'll wait for this. When the waves are breaking, we're in the shallowest of points. Alright, now you're good. Get in, bros. Get in. Get in. Paddle up. Paddle. Just keep paddling, bros. Hold your own. Lean back. Paddle. One more wave, go. Paddle, Jan. Paddle, man. Keep going. Keep going.
Are you going to feel slack on it now?
Yeah.
Fuck.
No, he's not going anywhere. We're setting him up for failure here, boys. We need to get this rig undone. Sharp fish. Go back on itself.
Hey, drunk club?
Yeah. We're going to have to cut this line. It's not working. That's it. It's good. It's good. Keep going. Keep going. I can see it snagged there. It needs to keep going. No. It is. I know. We're gonna have to deal with it when he's passed away.
Yeah, he's out there now.
Yeah, no, not quite. He isn't quite. He's strong. No, not yet.
Keep going!
Good, it's painfully for car. Fuck! Should take more time to pick this line up.
Keep going!
I've rigged it up, I think. I've lapped wrapped under a rope to the line. The only way we can do it is to cut that now, I reckon. Yeah, see how it's pulling back on itself? No.
Yeah, that'll do! Oi! Yeah!
Alright, let's see if we can get it off the yak now.
You reckon that's out enough? Bait, wait.
I'll do, yeah. I've got big shots. When he bailed, man, he got back in. Oh, sorry, bad enough, bro.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Wait.
If we hook up, bro, it's just... Yeah, it's underneath that line. There's nothing I can do about that unless I flip the reel round once. Maybe if I flip the reel round once. If I undid the reel, spun it around.
Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah.
Aye.
You probably could, eh?
Yeah, we'll see if it gets under tension.
Oh, yeah,
see if it works.
Yeah, John, alright? Yeah, mate. Look at him.
Loving it.
Oh!
No.
Oh, no!
Fuck.
Nah. What is that?
Where is he, bro? He just rolled it.
Yeah.
Go this shit, bro. I'll go in.
Hey, he's up. He's up. No, but he's out. Right, put his head up. Oh no, he's got his hand waving. Here, give it here. He's got it back up. Very nice. Beautiful stuff, brother. Beautiful stuff. Hey, Hayden's out there.
Alright, I'm just going to pause it right there because honestly, it's going off. Everything's going on. So what you can't see in the camera is he's obviously flipped the kayak. He's managed to get back into the kayak, but on his front. So he's actually now like surfing it. He's lost the oar has now gone adrift. I'm a fair way out of there and I've realised the line is still attached. So I've actually run back, told the boys to actually start reeling him in. And actually gone back out. I have done this a lot of times in some rough conditions, and the only time you only have any problems is when you're actually coming back in. But as long as you're not wrapped up in line, you're all good. But yeah, when he comes back in, you can see there was line wrapped up all over the place. It's absolute carnage. So yeah, lesson learned.
Belly. Oh no, what happened? You alright?
Yeah, I fucking thought I was gonna go way out there, right? So one of the pipe stuck on my head, I'm like, fuck! And then I was like, how am I gonna flip it over? I was like, alright.
Yo, alright, little different video, that's for sure. I don't even think I'm going to put something together, but yeah, Yanni going out there in the kayak, drunk, he did have a life jacket on, he flipped, lost the oar, panicked, freaked out big time. Obviously he was dropping a tuna out as a shark bait, so it was sketchy, but yeah, we pulled him in with the shark rod. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. We had a lot to say last night though, but after that incident, I said, nah, let's just relax and enjoy it. But you know the score. Like, subscribe, keep the beaches clean. Ciao for now.